LI Living Reality. Agent Autonomy. Passive Income Model. Strategic Marketing Support. Continuous Training. Technologies used: SharePoint, SPFX, Power BI, Power Automate. Challenges: limited tier count visibility, calculated columns complexity. What we have implemented: enhanced Power BI dashboard, automated calculations using Power Automate, problem identified and actions taken, visibility of tier counts, introduced Power BI for tier counts, developed tier-wise SharePoint web part with SPFX, challenges with calculated columns, automated SharePoint calculated columns, Power Automate for computing values, logic and error handling, for accuracy. Solutions: user-specific visibility in Power BI, displays tier-wise agent counts, automates processes with Power Automate, establishes flows on new items, ensures precise calculation logic. Challenges we faced: overcoming RLS visibility limitations in Power BI, ensuring accuracy of calculated columns in SharePoint, securing expertise for BI and SharePoint integration, ensuring user acceptance and feedback incorporation. Benefits of implementing: enhanced decision-making, increased efficiency by automating process, improved data accuracy, empowered users, business agility. For detailed consultation, contact us.